Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's look because it's something super quick and easy and simple and something I don't think I've actually done on my channel yet. It is a matte nude neutral look. You guys asked for this, so I wanted to create it for you guys. Obviously, I'm all about creating content that you guys want to see, so I hope that you enjoyed this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to the BH Cosmetics Hangin' in Hawaii eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Shaka. I'm starting off with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush and running that shadow through my crease. I always start off with a transition shade, something that's about a shade or two darker than my skin tone, and just buff that through my crease. I'm now going into Maui, and now switching over to my Sigma E25 blending brush and starting to run this shadow through my crease, going back and forth. And then I'm going to start winging this out. So when I wing out shadows, I start in the corner of my outer crease and kind of just brush towards the tail of my brow and then back into the crease area. And then I'm picking up more of the shadow and I'm starting to tap this onto my lid and then just buffing that back and forth. And you can see when I already concentrated on blending out my crease, our smoky eye is so much easier to do now. And now picking up Shaka and applying this at the very high point of my crease with my E38. I go back in with this shadow or any type of transition shade that I usually apply first on my crease with a fluffier brush at the very end to help blend everything out. Now with my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm picking up Shaka first and then smoking out Maui on my lower lash line. For my liner, I'm picking up Honolulu. First, I'm going to start off by creating an angled line with my E06 wing liner brush, and then now dragging back and creating that line to the center of my lid. And then before I fill it in, I'm just going to create a line on the inner part of my lash line. And then I'm going to start filling in the liner. I love this brush. It's so precise. I always use it for my liners, and that's why I included it in my brush set. You guys have to try this brush out. It's amazing. Now going into Hula. And then I'm going to highlight my inner corner, look at how beautiful and bright that is. I was really going to keep this entire look just matte. It's still matte, but I love a really nice neutral matte look with a pop of highlight on the inner corner, something really bright. Just looks so good. Now going into the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in Nude. Now I'm just going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going for outer corner lashes, and these are the Blinking Beauty Luxe Innovative Lashes in Genius. And that's the eye look done. I'm first going to line my lips with the NYX Lip Pencil in Nude Beige. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of shading and lip contour. Now for lipstick, I'm stuck with which lipstick I want to go with. So I have the NYX Lip Lingerie in Corset. It's a really pretty nude, but I feel like it might be a little too dark because I do want to make my lips look a little fuller and juicier and more plump. So I feel like this might be a little too dark and maybe too cool tone. So I think I'm going to stick with what I usually do for this lip combination, and that is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. This never fails me. So I'm going to apply this just in the center of my lips and buff that out. Now the question is, do we do a gloss or do we leave it matte like the look was intended for? I think I might leave it matte. This lip combination looks amazing with a gloss over top, but since we are going for a matte look, let's keep it matte. And that is it. This is the completed look of my matte neutral nude makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This look was so simple and so quick and easy to achieve, but I am obsessed with it. I don't know why. I think it might be the lashes because they're just outer corner lashes. They just kind of create a really nice cat eye effect, and I'm obsessed, and they're super comfortable. I honestly barely even feel like I have any lashes on. I'm in love with it. And the look. Love the look. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to achieve this look. I used all 5 brushes from my brush set to create this look today. Will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!